Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Control Board Assycle, Clen for Hobart part number 974A35. Control Board Assycle, Clen for Hobart part number 974A35 is a replacement part for Hobart dishwashers. It is a control board assembly that is used to control the operation of the dishwasher. The control board assembly includes a main control board, a display board, and various other components. The main control board contains the microprocessor and other electronic components that are used to monitor and control the operation of the dishwasher. The display board contains LED indicators that show the status of the dishwasher, such as whether it is in standby mode. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Control Board Assycle, Clen for Hobart part number 974A35 is designed to repair a malfunctioning control board on Hobart dishwashers. It can help to resolve issues such as the dishwasher not starting, not filling with water, or not draining properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the Control Board Assycle, Clen for Hobart part number 974A35. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials to complete the installation. 3. Disconnect power to the unit before beginning installation. 4. Remove any existing control board from the unit and replace it with the new Control Board Assycle, Clen for Hobart part number 974A35. 5. Securely attach all wiring connections to the new control board as per instructions in the manual. 6. Reconnect power to the unit and test for proper opera. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.